In the second part of the video on lists and arrays, we go over how to finish coding that list array, that list view. So you go to Lists, which is the name of your package, right-click on New, Other, Android Activity, Next, Blank Activity, and you can call it Ackland Art Museum or whatever the first entry in your list is. Here you can change the text of the text view. Do something like Ackland Art Museum, or again, whatever the name of the entry was in your list. You're going to go ahead and grab all of the pictures that are associated with what you want your app to show. You're going to drop them into the and here you're going to select the picture that corresponds with the first item in your list. Make sure that none of your JPEGs or PNGs have a capital letter in their names, by the way, because Eclipse will choke. So we'll drag in an image view and put that picture of the Ackland up there on the Ackland page. Now we are going to save all, and we're going to go put a little code under that case for the first attraction in our array, Ackland Art Museum. We will use a start activity method, and that will take a new intent, which we're going to have to import. And it goes from the context, which is main activity.this, that's where we are right now, and it's going to point to the Ackland Art Museum page that we just made. And of course it's a class as we defined it. And on the second, or not the second, case 1, we are actually going to define, we're going to have a start activity, and it's going to navigate us to actually a URL. It'll be for the UNC website. We'll right-click on Activity Main, run as Android application. We can test the Ackland Art Museum selection, see if it takes us, there's our page. We can hit back on the emulator and try out the old well, which should take us to the UNC website. It does take a while to load on the emulator. And there it is.